Stop by and take a look at the 2020 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, power retractable running boards, tow hitch, bed liner, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, air suspension. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.